Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to use your degree progress tool in your myBLINN portal. It's a great way to track your academic progress. Before we start, Blinn College recommends meeting with an advisor before registering for classes. They're here to help. To begin, visit myblinn.edu and log in. Once you're in, click on Degree Progress. At the top, you'll see your Blinn ID, name, and degree information. If you have more than one degree or certificate, like an Associate of Science, Associate of Arts, or multiple Associate of Applied Science degrees or certificates, you can select which one you'd like to view from the drop-down menu on the right. Here's what else you'll find: level, classification, major, college, campus, residency, mailing address, GPA, TSI classification, holds, test scores, and academic standing. A few important things to note. Address. Your address might not always be up to date in your degree progress, so make sure to double-check with enrollment services. GPA. Your transcript GPA includes all Blinn coursework. However, the GPA listed below might be different because it only includes classes that count toward your degree. For example, developmental courses won't be factored into this GPA. Holds. If a hold starts with not a hold, it won't stop you from registering for classes. Understanding the views. The default view you'll see is Student View, which shows both the classes you've taken and the ones you still need. If you want to see just the classes you still need, switch to the Registration Checklist view. As you scroll down, you'll see your degree, catalog year, GPA, and any remaining requirements for your degree. What to look for. Your degree progress might display a few different messages and details based on your degree, certificates, or occupational skills. Each student's view may vary, depending on their major or program. Degree types explained. Associate of Arts or Associate of Science degrees are for students planning to transfer to a four-year university. Associate of Applied Science degrees prepare you for entering the workforce right after Blinn. Certificates provide specific knowledge and skills for entry-level jobs or enhancing your current career. Occupational Skills Awards give you an introduction to a particular field. Checking your progress. As you go through your degree progress, a green circle with a check mark means you've completed that requirement. A light blue half circle means you're currently working on it or have registered for it. A red circle means you still need to complete that requirement. Other course statuses to know. Not applicable to program means the course you took isn't required for your degree. Will not satisfy degree requirements means the course was failed, dropped, or retaken. In progress means you're currently enrolled in the course. Check the legend to help you understand what each symbol or status means. Using the planner and what-if tools. Plans. This section shows you the academic plan you've created with your advisor. Click Plans to view your current plan. To see the courses you and your advisor discussed, scroll down to the plan list and click on the plan you want to follow. If you see a Notes icon, click it to read any extra advice your advisor has left. What if? This tool lets you see how your completed or in-progress courses would apply to a different major or degree. It's a hypothetical tool and doesn't change your actual degree plan. To use it, select What If, choose the catalog year, degree, major, and college. Then click Process to view your results. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you navigate your degree progress.